Okay, in this video I want to talk about respiration. Now, this was something I talked about in the previous topic, the chemical world, but it's just a bit of a recap. In this case, showing how cells play an important role too. Now, respiration is basically a reaction, chemical reaction, that takes place in cells. Okay, it happens in cells to release energy. Okay, so respiration, remember, is converting glucose and oxygen to carbon dioxide and water. Okay, and it also releases energy. So it happens in cells. Remember, cells are like power plants. Okay, they convert energy, things into energy. Okay. Okay, and we have organs and tissues in our body. Right, so organs and tissues are made of cells, right? Every living thing is made of cells. That takes the air into the body and makes oxygen available to the cells. Okay, sorry, the system of organs, I should say, the system of organs that takes the air into the body and makes oxygen available is called the respiratory system. Respiratory system. Okay, so it consists of, let's draw a diagram of a person. Okay, it consists of your lungs, right, mainly. Oxygen comes in and you breathe, you use it to make energy. Okay, remember, it's the reverse of photosynthesis. Okay, so it's glucose, remember, plus oxygen. This is respiration. It makes carbon dioxide and water. That also releases energy. I'll put it above the sign here. So two things react. So glucose is, let's say, from your food. The food you eat, let's say you're working out, right? You've got to take something before to get some energy. So glucose is a form of sugar found in your food. Oxygen is the air you breathe. And you get energy released, okay, through breathing out, releasing carbon dioxide gas, and through water. Now, the water could be sweat, okay, it could be urine later on, it could be breathing out, okay, so the air you breathe out as well. That's respiration. Okay, and the main organelle means part, okay, so the main part of a cell, the main organelle involved in respiration, okay, of a cell is the mitochondria. Okay, in the previous video I talked about this. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, right? Think of it as, so you've got the stadium, the cell, the executive team is the mitochondria, okay, the big boss. Okay, that's responsible for making for respiration, responsible for giving energy, okay? It's the powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria. Okay, it breaks down, here's how it works. It basically breaks down nutrients. So it's like a factory. It breaks down nutrients in the cell, okay, and it forms energy. Okay, remember, here's a cell. Let's say that's an animal cell. You have the nucleus. Okay, you've got the football team, the cytoplasm, the stadium. You've got the cell membrane, the wall, and the security. And you have the mitochondria right here. Okay, the executive team. That's an animal cell. You find these in animals and humans. And so photosynthesis, and I also mention photosynthesis as well. I'll show you how it's the reverse of respiration. So you've got carbon dioxide and water forming glucose plus oxygen. Okay, and chlorophyll is actually needed for this to happen. Now let me get my previous paper and show you why it's the reverse. Okay, so you've got here respiration, so glucose plus oxygen, whereas glucose and oxygen is formed in photosynthesis. Okay, this is actually needed. This is formed here. Carbon dioxide and water is created, whereas carbon dioxide and water here in photosynthesis is needed, right? So how does it work? Let me draw diagrams. So you need sunlight. Okay, I should write down sunlight here too. Sunlight, right? So the sun. You have a plant here, let's say. Here's the ground. Okay, you need the sun. You need carbon dioxide gas, the stuff we breathe out, right? That's gas. And you need water. Okay, you water plants. Why? So they can grow. So all of these three added together with chlorophyll. Now, chlorophyll is a green chemical which makes green leaves green, right? Chlorophyll. The plant gives out oxygen gas, and it gives out glucose. Okay, what's the glucose? Found in the leaves. Okay, the glucose. Animals eat this, and we eat this. Okay, lettuce, for example, and that's photosynthesis.